Hey lads, TechScanning is back with another exciting video. So Google Pixel next gen launch is near and we already got the live photos of the device. Even the camera samples, but we will talk about it later. First, take a look at the changes in the Pixel 7 series. Starting with the design, as Google already confirmed that the design at their I/O event, which shows a very similar design to their predecessors, though with slight changes. Finally, Google is getting rid of that black glass bar or visor, whatever you want to call, changed it into metallic color instead of black, which honestly looks a lot better. And now that bar wraps into the frame. Moreover, on the Pro model, the main camera and ultra wide are bunched together, while the third lens will be placed separately, which is probably the telephoto sensor. For the dimensions, as per the different leaks, the Pixel 7 Pro will be taller than the Pixel 7. For the display, we might see a bit smaller Pixel 4 than the last year. According to the reports, Pixel 7 will get a bit narrower and shorter in size, but the Pro model is more likely to remain the same. Still a bit of chance that the Google increase it to 6.8 inches. 9 to 5 Google code digging found that Pixel 7 will offer the same 90Hz panel as Pixel 6, while for the Pro model, it will feature the panel from its predecessor, the LTPO 120Hz super smooth display from Samsung. According to subsequent leaks, the 7 Pro may get a little more of an upgrade by offering 200 nits brighter display. It's not a huge difference, but will make a difference outside. So released images suggest that the Pixel 7 will feature the flat, while the 7 Pro could potentially hold the slightly curved edges display. Moving to the camera hardware, it's not getting any major upgrade. A developer and leaker, Cuba, dig a little deeper into Google's code to match up component sensor IDs and figure out some camera specs. He discovered that the Google 7 and 7 Pro will both use the same main camera sensors. A 50 megapixel sensor Samsung GN1 for the main camera and Sony IMX381 for the ultra wide sensor as before. The 7 Pro will get a tweaked telephoto though, with a switch to Samsung's GN1 sensor from the previous IMX576. The idea could be to use the most sensors from the same company, which will help the Google Pixel to deliver better images processing and color accuracy. And both phones will now use the same selfie sensor and 11 megapixel Samsung's 3J1. You will be able to record 4K videos from the front camera. It sounds a bit off, but you know that Google software optimization is the best in the Android market, so we will still get the great results. Here note that the Google patented an under-display camera in August last year. However, it's still unknown whether any of their coming models will offer such technology. Now jump to the best upgrade of the 7 series. Yes, the Pixel 7 models will come with the second generation of Tensor chip as officially confirmed by Google. As we know that the original Tensor chip was manufactured by Samsung, therefore the rumors are that the Samsung is ready to start the production of 4nm Tensor chip to codename GS201. The chipset is likely to be equipped with an unreleased modem Samsung Exynos 5300, but one of the Google News Telegram groups has managed to extract that it will stick with Cortex A55 cores. These are the same efficiency cores used in the first Tensor chip. Further, A55 is based on the ARM V8 architecture, which is also not the latest. Besides playing with the clock speed, Google can replace the Cortex A76 performance cores with slightly improved Cortex A78, which will give a little CPU performance gain. Besides the news, the best part, we also got the real-life images of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. On May 30, Pixel 7 images appeared on eBay showing all the hallmarks of the Google prototype. We can also see the Pixel 7 Pro on the shiny black of the Pixel 7 in this image, suggesting that the pictures are taken using the Pixel 7 Pro. However, later the eBay listing has been removed. A Reddit user also claimed that he has purchased the Pixel 7 Pro prototype from the Facebook marketplace, but Google reportedly wiped the device remotely once it realized the phone is out. So you can guess how bad Google is at keeping secrets. I hope they won't compromise on my history. Different code diggers and the prominent Weibo tipster refer to the existence of a high-end Pixel flagship device. I have already covered a video on this, so have a look at that. The popular leaker John Prosser predicts that the Google Pixel launch event will take place on the 6th of October and the pre-orders will start on the same day. So what do you think about the Pixel 7 models, especially when we are expecting the launch of the iPhone in September? Let me know in the comments, and that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and as always, take care.